What's up people, it's your boy AlphaBlue and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you or telling you why you should not be trading only one pair. I know this is like a very contrary idea or school of thought, but then trust me, just listen to what I have to say. And this goes especially for people that are trading only Euro USD. I used to be that guy, I used to be that trader that trades only Euro USD until I figured out something, and that is exactly what I'm about to share to you right now. So if you're trading only one pair, there's something you're missing out on, and that is you're not leveraging on correlations. You're not leveraging on correlations. If you've been trading for a while, then I'm sure you must have known that there are some pairs in the forex market that are correlated to each other, either directly correlated or inversely correlated to each other. So for example, you know that Euro USD is inversely correlated to DXY. So what that means is if Euro USD is buying, that means DXY is automatically selling. You understand? That's just what it is. So now, if aside from that, there's also correlation between Euro USD and GBPUSD and AUDUSD, and this correlation is like directly correlated. They are not inversely correlated. So what that means is if Euro USD is buying, that means GBPUSD is also buying. That means AUDUSD is also buying. So now this is where I need you to like listen closely. This is the interesting part right now. If you are trading only one pair, of which is, let's say for example, Euro USD, what it means is that you are not looking at what is going on AUDUSD, which is going the same way with Euro USD, or GBPUSD, which is also going the same way with Euro USD. When I was trading only Euro USD, what I figured out one day was that when I'm waiting for my setup on Euro USD to play out, for instance, you're a trader that trades order block, right? And then you've already done your analysis, you know that Euro USD is supposed to sell. You're now waiting for price to retrace back to that order block and trigger your sell limit, or so that you enter on that order block. Then while you're waiting for price to get there, Euro USD does this thing, it just dances around and it doesn't get to that order block. It now sells off without you. Now you didn't get to enter the trade. You predicted the direction right, you knew that it was going to sell, but then price never came back to your order block for you to sell. Now do you know that as that thing has happened like that on Euro USD, if you check GBP USD or AUD USD, you will notice that another block got triggered, or price got to another block there. And that was just what I figured out. I figured out that some of the times while waiting for a setup to play out on one of these pairs, either Euro USD or GBP USD, while you're waiting for it to play out and it doesn't play out there, if you go and check the correlated asset, if you check the correlated pair like GBP USD, you will notice that a very clean setup has already taken place there. So since when I noticed that, I wasn't trading only one pair anymore. I stopped trading only Euro USD. I was adding GBP USD to my watch list. So I used to watch two of them at the same time. I used to watch Euro USD and watch GBP USD. Most of the times they do very similar stuff, even though they don't do it exactly the same. And that's the beauty of it, because while you're waiting for the setup to take place on Euro USD and it's misbehaving, if you check GBP USD, you'll find out that it's going on exactly as you want. Like there's a textbook setup that is playing out there. So instead of taking that trade on Euro USD, you now take it on GBP USD, because GBP USD looks cleaner. You can check AUD USD and then you see which of the pairs, since they are correlated, since they are doing the same thing, you check which one looks cleaner, which one is playing out exactly as I want it to, and then you place the trade on that particular pair or asset. So this is exactly how you can leverage on correlations. This is how you can take advantage of these correlated assets and then place your trades on that, instead of just looking at just one and waiting for your setup to play out on that one, of which if it doesn't, you miss out on the trade. But then if only you looked at other correlated assets, you see that that exact setup you're looking for has already played out there. Sometimes you may be looking for liquidity sweep or grab. The liquidity grabbing happened on Euro USD. the liquidity was still there waiting for you on your 5 minutes or 1 minute. But when you check GBPUSD, you see that liquidity was taken out very clean on GBPUSD on 1 minute or 5 minutes. So that is what you as a trader you're supposed to do. Thank me for this video. When you try it for a week or 2 weeks and you see what I'm doing, come back and comment on this video. Thank me, because I've just exposed your eyes. I've exposed you to something very, very important. Trust me guys, this is actually very, very, very cool. Like, try it, check it out for a week, and you see what I'm saying. You will definitely see what I'm talking about. You see that even though a setup doesn't play out on your pair, which I'm suspecting to be EURUSD, even though it doesn't play out there, but when you check GBPUSD, you find out that it played out there very nicely. Or AUDUSD, you find out that it played out very nicely. So stop trading only one pair. Stop looking at just one pair. Look at the other correlated pairs. Look at the correlated assets and see how price plays on them. See how price develops on those assets, and then you can take advantage of that and place your trade. So guys, I wish you profits. I wish you more blues, no red. I'm AlphaBlue for a reason, because I only want to be seeing blues on my P&L. So I wish you guys all the best. I wish you guys success in all your endeavors, and then see you guys in the next one. So cheers guys.